are the specifications. Did you know that Alcatel originally stood for this? This phone was released on October 5th, 2013. You can record over-the-air FM radio. I love this feature. The power and volume buttons are too recessed for me. The flashlight app has a nice user interface. This service and alerting network is available in the US and maybe other countries. The camera supports ZSD for digital zoom and EIS for video stabilization. The camera has fixed focus and only the 50-20W has autofocus. Here are some photos I took with this phone. No fast charging here. Takes about 2.5 hours for a full charge and lasts about a day with normal use. Comes with Android Jelly Bean and has gotten no major OS updates. The headphones max volume is not enough for me and I am using a pair of AKG from the S8. The battery is non-removable. It was priced at $164 US at launch. It comes in slate and silver body. It has since been superseded by newer models, the latest being the Fierce 4. iFixit has a teardown and also repair guides for this device. Link in the description. Has a screen to body ratio of 63%, which is not much by today's standards. This is a decent phone for the price, and it is amazing that a phone created in 2013 can still get by in 2018.